You guys ready? Buns up. Let's do this. Hello my friends, welcome to Messy Bun Fitness. We have got a great beginner Tabata workout for you today. So if you're not familiar with Tabata, it is a HIIT style workout, which stands for high intensity interval training. And it is the fastest, most efficient way that you can burn calories and blast fat. Up to 48 hours after this 12-minute Tabata, you're still gonna be burning calories, which is awesome. So all you're gonna need for today's workout is a yoga mat or a towel, a bottle of water, me, and I need you. So we're gonna start with a 2-minute warm up, and we're gonna start just by marching in place, or you can pick this up into a jog. Here we go. We're breathing right from the beginning. Get your heels up towards the booty. You're gonna feel so good by the time this workout is done, I promise. Let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, let's take it into a nice jumping jack. So you're either here, or if you want to stay low, this is your modification if you're just getting started. So if you're up here, try to stay thumb to thumb. Good, keep going. Gotta get that body nice and warm for today's workout. Just a few more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Okay, step that right foot forward. We're gonna go down into some lunges. Let's catch our breath and start warming up those legs. We're gonna be using those a lot today. That's where the real calorie burn happens, is when we work those really big muscles in our legs. We're gonna work the entire body today though, I promise. Find your breath. Try and get a little lower each time as you get warmer. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Step it forward. Take that other leg back. Same thing. Here we go. Down and up. This is your chance to catch your breath a little bit, even on the warm-up. You can swing those arms or hands on the hips. Whatever you prefer. Good job. Let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more. Good job. Step it up. Let's move into toe kicks. Here we go. So we're trying to get opposite arm to leg and really swing those arms. We're trying to warm up total body here. Good job. Try and keep that leg as straight out as you can. So this works everything: core, legs, arms, whew, your heart, everything. Let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, you should be feeling warm. Let's grab a quick drink of water, and we're gonna get into round 1 of our Tabata. Okay, you guys should be warm by now, so we're gonna get into round 1 of our Tabata. So we're going for 4 minutes in each round. We've got 2 rounds back to back, but you'll get a 30-second break in between each round. So when we start, we're gonna go for 20 seconds on, and then you get a 10-second break. So that's your chance to slow your heart rate down, catch a breath, grab a quick drink of water, and then we're right back into the next move for 20 seconds. So go really hard during these 20 seconds and give it everything you've got. So we're gonna get started with 20 seconds of either reaching like this or give me that jog. So here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Jog it out. Really pump those arms. Give it some energy. You should be warm now. You look great. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale it up. Exhale it down. Little break here. Now we're moving into skaters. We're going to start with that right leg tucked back, and we're jumping side to side. Let's all start together. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So on these skaters, you want to think about trying to get as low as you can go. Take these at your own pace. Really use those arms to swing. We're working everything. Inner thigh, outer thigh, legs, booty, cardio, core, and good job. Take your break. Up next we have lunges. We know what those look like from the warm-up, so we're gonna go ahead and step that right foot forward. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Find your breath. Again, you can use your arms for momentum or keep those hands right on the hips for balance. Your goal is to try to work your way down to the ground. See if you can touch that knee. It's going to take a little bit of work for you to get there, but that's okay. And step it up. Let's set it up. Step that left leg back. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. These are your little moments to breathe. We go from those cardio blasts into these static lunges. So we get a mix of everything. Make sure your core is in nice and tight on these. Good. Woo! Shake it out. Good job. Those are tough. Woo! Inhale it up. And exhale it down. Okay, we've got standing ab crosses all on your right. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. So you want to think about here trying to get the elbow and the knee to touch. Good job. So we're working core, cardio, total body right now. Let's march it out. Inhale it up. Exhale it down. We're going to your left in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. So we haven't even gotten to our ab Tabata yet. That's at the very end, but we're still sneaking it in, right? We all want those nice abs, flat tummy. And guess what? We're not even on the ground. That's pretty cool. That's my kind of ab move. Inhale it up. Exhale down. Okay, we've got one more move in round 1. You guys are crushing this. Great job. So remember those toe kicks from the warm-up? We're going in 3, 2, and 1. So you should be really warm by now. I'm sweating. So try and get that leg up as high as you can and keep your legs as straight as you can. This is another great ab move. Woo, 30-second break. Good job, guys. Okay, grab a quick drink of water. We're gonna repeat that round one more time, and then we have our ab Tabata. Okay guys, round 1 is done. It's in the books. Now we're on to round 2. We're going to do that again from the top. I know you can do this. So here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're either here or we're jogging. Here we go. Find your breath even from the beginning. This is such a great workout to not only torch calories and burn fat, but we're sneaking in some great core work and some toning. Inhale it up and exhale down. Good job. We're back to those skaters. Tuck that right leg behind the left. 3, 2, 1. See if you can get a little bit lower than you did on the first round. Nice and controlled. You got it. You got it. Keep that core in nice and tight. Don't forget that. Ooh, march it out. Okay, we've got lunges coming up. Let's step that right foot forward, get into position. In 3, 2, and 1. So let's work our way down. Again, hands can be on the hips. That helps you with your balance. You could also hold on to a chair, something stable nearby. I like to use my arms just for a little momentum here. Good job. Step it up. Good job. Let's slide that other leg back. Here we go. Find your breath in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. That's why Tabata is so efficient. We only have a 10-second break, so our heart rate never really gets to recover, and we just keep on torching calories. Yes, we do. Good work. Good job. Step it up. Woo! Shake it out. Those are tough. Woo, okay. We're back to those standing ab crosses, all on your right. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Really think about crunching knee to elbow. Great job. You don't have to go as fast as me. Inhale and exhale. We're going to the left. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Really crunch. Crunch. Guys, we have one move after this. Can you believe it? Wow. I'm so proud of you. Then we have an ab Tabata, and we are done for the day. Woo, inhale it up. And exhale. All right. One more move. Toe kicks. You know what those are. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Really get that leg up as high as you can this time. Give it everything you've got. Swing those arms. You've got it. Ooh, great job. Let's inhale it up and exhale it down. Okay, let's grab a really quick drink of water. Meet me back here in just a few seconds. We're gonna kill it with that ab Tabata. Great work. You guys made it. Okay, we're in our final round. We have our ab Tabata. So we'll be doing each move for about 30 seconds, and then we're done, and we're going to keep on going. So we are going to work every single part of your core today. So we are going to start with Russian twists. So you can either keep your feet down on the ground like this and make sure your knees are pulled together really tight. The further back you are, the more challenging this is going to be for your core. So just try to gauge that. Or you can bring your legs all the way up like this and sit back and twist. So, you ready? Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. So, you want to twist your whole body. Make sure your head goes with you. And you're trying to get your elbow to the ground. Great job. You got it. Anytime you want to drop your feet down, you can do that. And then just jump right back in. Really twist, twist. You got it, you got it. Let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, great job. Okay, next up we have a plank hold. So what I want you to do is come onto your mat, come up onto your toes, and shift your weight down. So you want to think about your weight coming through your heels on this, shooting back. Whew, and we're staying right here. So make sure your hips are not up, and make sure you're not dipping down like this. You want a nice straight line. Look out 3 to 5 feet in front of you. Head is neutral. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Whew, and just hold it. Make sure you are breathing on these. Again, keep that weight in your heels. Find your breath. Make sure your booty's not coming up at all. Such a great workout for your core, your arms, your legs, your heart, everything. Stay with me, we're almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great, drop it to your knees, crawl it back, nice and slow. Whew, great job. So we're gonna move into spider abs. So what I want you to do is come back up into a plank, and we're just going side to side with the knees, and you wanna think about the elbow coming outside of your knee. Let's go. In 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Side to the side. So same thing on these. You want to look out 3 to 5 feet in front of you the entire time. Head is neutral. Core is in. If you need to, drop to your knees, count to 3, and come right back. You can build up to these. Great job. We are almost there. Let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Crawl it back, nice and slow, so you don't get dizzy. Great job. All right, last move of the day. So we're gonna go into a V-sit hold, and it looks like this, where you're balancing up. Anytime you need to drop those heels down, you can. Find your breath. We're gonna go in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Whew. So we are working your entire core right now. We're also working those tiny little muscle fibers with these longer poses. So if you want more of a challenge, you can come up, pump those arms, or you can just stay right here the entire time. You got it, you got it. Or you can kind of alternate like me. Whew, I don't know about you girls, but I am sweating. Okay, let's hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Great job. I am so proud of you girls for hanging in there with me today. Wow, so now that that workout is over, I want you to just slowly bring your heart rate down, do a nice cool down, stretch for 2 to 3 minutes, just march in place, arms up overhead. You can stretch it forward like this. Whew, but just make sure you stretch and you cool down and you get some water and some protein in you within the next 30 minutes if you can. It's really important to refuel your muscles with some good protein right now, and also to stay hydrated. So coconut water or anything with electrolytes in it is really good right now after a tough workout like this. So even though we only did this for 12 minutes, as you can see, it was a tough workout. So I hope you girls had fun. I had a lot of fun with you. There's going to be a lot more workouts just like this, so make sure you like and subscribe and comment below if you did this workout. I would love to see what you think. So thanks so much for tuning in to Messy Bun Fitness, and I will see you girls next time. Bye.